Ubingelela baba udokotela ubaba Wesizwe baba uJabulile umfana muhle ongathi Khehlelo noMzulu amanxengesa angisoli futhi angixolisi bantu baku Facebook siyabonga kakhulu ukuthi nikwazile ukuthi nilandele baba udokotela sibonge nedatha lenu nje nilisebenzisayo but there's lot to learn because sizokhuluma ngento eshintsha impilo yomuntu. Topic yethu namhlanje ithi inhlupheko kubantu besifazane. Kwinhlupheko kubantu besimame. Ake sibheke le poverty le. La South Africa, especially South Africa, because I've been in other countries now, but I've noticed in Malawi, uthola umuntu wesifazane uhamba nendoda yakhe, indoda yakhe iqhuba ibhayisekili, ilayishe ubanana, babambisene. In Malawi, that's what I saw. I'm not promoting it, I'm not marketing it. And then in Malawi, bakuthanda regardless of what we are having. Efika eMozambique, fika khona ngabona umuntu wesifazane nowesilisa beqova udaka bakha izidini. Lo mfazi akamshiyanga ngoba lo baba akakwazi ukumakhela umuzi kusuburb. Usamthanda. ESouth Africa kunjalo because of poverty. Sekube sengathi indoda uma inemali, I repeat, eSouth Africa kufika ekutheni uma indoda inemali but umuntu wesifazane ingamuphi imali, lo ndoda ayimthandi. Because if umuntu wesifazane ethole indoda uthole a stepfather, abantu besifazane today they treat their partners, angifuna ukuthi boyfriend, partners, as if it's their stepfathers. Akakwazi ukuthi umuntu eze kuwena nenkinga zakhe. Wena ubunezakho ungenzi nazo. That alone, it caused by poverty. It is caused by poverty. Abantu besifazane sebekuthole ukuthi ekule mali esiyiholayo engatheni. Kufuza ukuthi ngazi ukuthi njalo ngesonto ngimnika malini. It's if it's one of my children engiyizala ngaphandle. For the fact that uyahlupheka. Kufinyelele lapho ukuthi baregada ukuthi you must give imali regardless ukuthi unayo noma unayo. Uma ungenayo kuyaphoqa ukuthi awuqualify ukuthandana naye ngoba naye akanamali. Uyazasha athi akakwazi ukuthandana nendoda engenamoto kodwa yena akanazo incwadi zokushayela. I wish he was driving. Sizoke siyibuke lento ukuthi abantu besifazane kunini la bazobuyela khona kuma senses ukuthi into edala ukuthi sithandane ukuthi besithandana. Hayi ukuthi into edala ukuthi sithandane ukuthi mina ngisebenza kwa SAA. Ingakho ke singakwazi ukuthandana ngoba mina ngizokunika imali. Wena if ufuna nje ama donors iba nje openly usho ukuthi ufuna abantu abazokudonate la ngemali unenkinga la. For the fact ukuthi ngithandana nawe wena washonelwa indoda yafe ebhasini yashayiswa imoto yabanani akusho ukuthi mina ngizoyireplacer. I'm not an insurance. Lento izofuna ukuthi ikingene la emakhanda kubantu besifazane ingene futhi nakubantu besilisa ukuthi akusho ukuthi yena ukuthandana kwakhe nalomuntu wesifazane kumandatory ukuthi lo muntu loyana akabe nemali at all times. Ngoba uma ngenzeki lo muntu wesifazane uzobona ukuthi ushuthi akasamthandi. Athi uyazi bebe ngathi wena usangiphi nje imali. Uthi awusho ukuthina athi nje nalela sonto ngiphanga. Nalo lo ngiphanga uthi ngidlane. Only your child can say that ukuthi daddy, it's been 2 weeks now we are not sending money. You know that I'm a student. Because ingane yakhe grossly dependent kuwena. Umuntu wesifazane enithandane naye asikho sidinga abe grossly depending kuwena. Comes to your wife. Unkosikazi wakho akufuna naye akhule engqondweni ukuthi inkinga zakubo wena oyona solvent solution yazo. Ukuthi ekhaya udonga libhidlikile bengicela ungiphe imali ngifuna ubathengela uthayilo 6. Kudingeka udonga la ubhidlike udonga la kubo. Akudingilanga udonga lakho lakini. Yabo. Lento nje into afuna abayichemistry iphileke lento iyazeka ukuthi inkinga zakubo ezakubo nabantu bakubo babona ukuthi bazozilungisa kanjani. Yabo. Manje lento isive seniyashintsha manje. Usuyathola ukuthi even uthando luya nokufavor of based on bank account ukuthi usebenza kuphi. uyasebenza usebenza kuphi. You understand? Kanti bengekho njalo. Thina sikaze siphila impilo njalo ebase ukuthi uzongipha malini. Omunye uzakutshela athi hawu uthi angithanda uzongipha yini imali. Uyabona ukuthi we have lost because of poverty. Because of poverty. Ngoba lo muntu ukufuna konke lokho but ayikho into akunelisa ngayo. Ayikho into wena akunelisa ngayo. Uyafuna ukuthi umuphe imali but ayikho wena into happy ngayo. Uneholo lomphakathi la kuhlangana khona imicimbi. Uthi yafika ubonja ayithi babe besibaningi la. Ngeke wena uneholo lomphakathi u-expect ukuthi mina ngizokureplace labantu abahamba abangena kule holo. Ngoba phela akube khona into wena ongigcolisa ngayo. Mina mase ngingakuphi imali, mase ngikujabulise ngikunako, not ukuthi ngikuphi imali. You understand? Asikho isidingo ukuthi wena uzothi uneholo lomphakathi. Azathi omunye yini olifake uthi wena sengilifatha ulifake nini azangizwanga eholo lomphakathi ke lelo. Lingenile senze laphuma kukaza lizwe. U-expect ukuthi lo muntu wesifazane kodwa wena uma unemali ufuna umphi imali. Uma nivuka nje la njengoba uvuphuma eholo nje liqashwe double door. Ungenile eholo wazophuma ubuza ukuthi awuyini olifake yini kade ungiromance. Usuze walikhipha kaza lizwe. Because iholo lomphakathi and some person wazi ukuthi uma evuka la ufuna avuke nemali. Lento ke uyipoverty le akuyona iprostitution ipoverty. Iprostitution ayenziwa ipoverty. So bese ichaza ngento. Kodwa le poverty isihlukile siushintshile umphakathi ushintsha yonke into ayisenze ngendlela. Ayisenze ngendlela. La bengifuna ukuthi ke siyibuke nje lento le. Ngihambe ngize ngifike la kubona amalokishi ethu la. Njengoba sinama townships. Townships they have to be explained properly. Ngoba kunabantu abahlala ema townships wena uma ungahlalanga location uthatheka njengomuntu oyinyoni. Uma uthi hayi mina ngiphuma eHlanzeni ngiphuma esabelweni senkosi mesethi uzalana umnyoni bakho lalela lana ntandana akone ema farm lana. What is the meaning of that? Lo muntu lwana une mentality of slavery generation. I repeat, umuntu waselokishini the more wena ophuma ezabelweni zasemakhaya ezothi wena awubambe ngokwentambo zelokishi. Lo muntu ubanjwe it's a slavery mentality because amalokishi as township says akaze abe ne-infrastructure. That's number one. Ilokishi imoto ayingeni imingena ufuna ingene idlule kwamakhelwane. You understand? Kunemizi emalokishini esemva kweminye imizi. You call it indawo yabantu le. Ilokishi ukwakhiwa kwalo lalakhelwe okhakho bethu omkhulu bethu ukuthi basondelele ukuzoseva ipurpose yomasipala kuma dolobha bezo exploitwa amandla abo labor power yabo. And wherever they become disabled and then special sabo singavuselelwa because sebeyagula and abuyele emakhaya babe nento ekuthiwa is special that allows a person to ukuthi asebenze ngoba usuke enkandla usuke abe ne-special sezokusebenza eMaritzburg kuphi. They were made prepared because base bakhelwa kama-concentration labor camp. Isynonym yakhona it's a township. Isynonym yakhona it's a township. Engisho ukuthi ngifuna ukuthi wazi ukuthi njoba ulana elokishini usa-representa your elders who passed away living in the same street. Ngoba amenye imigaqo ezaqanjwa ngawo ama-slaves lawa kade ehlala kulelo lokho. Njengoba ubona eminye noma Gwaza Street amakhehla ehlala la. Ekwathi makwakhe akubona ababalakhe ilokishi. Akekho umuntu obene-choice okwakhe ilokishi. Akekho umuntu obene-choice. Akekho umuntu obene-say ngokubizwa kwemigaqo. Kwakubiza labo ongcwenkulu ngoba besi-embarrass. Engisho ukuthi ke wena ohlala elokishini angathi mekuqhamuka umuntu ophuma endaweni zezabelo zamakhosi uma usumbukela phansi ngoba kwawena usahleli kwi-concentration camp evulelekile manje, but it's a camp le okuyona eyayihlala abantu ababezogqelazwa emadolobheni. Ngicabanga ukuthi lonto uzoyibamba ngokweqiniso ke manje. Bakithi ake ngiyikhulume lento izozwakala kabi kwabanye, but kunezinto ekufuna ukuthi sizikhulume nje zicace ukuthi labantu laba esibabiza ngama-Arab, so-called Arabs, labantu laba so-called whites, we as Africans, so-called Africans or Bantus, we are quickly to forget, and then sine cataract in terms of sightseeing. Asikwazi ukubona ukuthi labantu bazizonda kanjani. Laba bantu, the way they hate us, they genocided our generations, killed them and suppressed them to attain a religion that does not belong to them. They taught us how to pray, Yeti Maria now. That is rubbish. To us, it means nothing. They taught us to pray in Arabic. To us, it means nothing. Instead of giving us infrastructure that we need, they tell us that they'll bring mosque. For what? For what? Why do we need mosque? Romans, they've got vast lands from where they purchased that land from. It was the violation of human rights. They killed those people who were there unless they become Romans and they practice religion within the Roman Catholic procedures. And then we as Africans, I don't know, ukuthi lento yethu izofika kanjani, izofika nini, if really there is so-called a man called God or Allah, whatever you may call it. All these things are foreign religion to us. They don't apply perfectly. Because there are things that spiritually, in the realm of your deities, Amatongo, you are siding with the enemy that has laid them to the ground. Today, Christians, they tell us about the Holy Spirit. But when we were fighting with them, Encome, Esandwane, Olundi, where was the Holy Spirit? You tell me, where was the Holy Spirit? After half of South Africa has been taken from Khoi and Science, raping those people, they brought us Jesus. Then that Jesus, when we fight back and then they tell us that we should not fight back because we got houses in heaven, our home is in heaven, we must forget about what is happening because there is a person who has already died for us. But Cape Colony was taken completely by the whites, completely, as far as Val. And after they introduce the new God, his name is Jesus. And they block us with the Holy Spirit not to fight back. Arabs, they took all the fertile land in Africa. And after they told them about another gentleman, his name is Muhammad, they said he's a prophet. Prophet for what? Prophet for what? In Africa, Libya, there are no Africans there. Tunisia, there are no Africans there. What happened to them in Morocco? There are no Africans there. Lezi sithola abaholi bethu besoft kakhulu ukuzikhuluma. Sine AU rubbish, intombazane yento lento to AU. African Union intombazane nje lento le. Abantu bebeya ku AU, they appear dressed up as Muslims. How's that? How come you appear with the kurta in a meeting? Because they portray to be something that they are not. Even Somalia, they hate to be called Africans. They said, no, they're Arabs. Rubbish, man. There's no such Arab as that. We are hating each other with a passion because we are defending the religion of the foreigners. We as Africans, we have never introduced anything in Europe and accepted. Nothing. In Arabian Persian countries, They never adopted anything coming from this country. The continent is vast, we have everything, but they never accepted anything else unless you are one of them. Then they can enslave you and ask you to bring your brothers to be enslaved in Qatar, in Doha, wherever you may think. I'm not against the religion as per se, but these teachings that we're learning from Quran and the whole Bible, I'm not too sure whether I'm ready to absorb them, because they were all 80% of Christian document as well as Holy Quran. They were all taken from Vesta. Why can't we read Vesta completely? Because we are reading the copy. Because all the teachings that we are learning today in the Bible, go in Zoroastrianism and ask for Vesta vision. You'll see anything that you read in the Bible is twisted from the Vesta. They talk about God, they talk about Ahura Mazda. And they talk about Allah. It's the same person, Ahura Mazda, wisdom God, intelligent God. That's what it means. And why can't we just read? Because when it comes to Vesta is more than 4,500 years old. Holy Bible is yesterday. Even Jesus himself never read the Bible. Moses never read the Bible. And some of the people in the Bible, they never exist. They were made for us. Jesus, if you can ask him who was Jesus on earth, he will smile and say, no, I don't know who was this guy. I never been Jesus in myself. I don't know. I never meet him. And they said, they said you are Jesus. I said, you are naming me now. But if we can go back to the roots, if we are interested to this thing of religion, let's study Vesta and see what is there. You will be mesmerized. You'll be mesmerized what you'll be finding there. These documents, both documents, are just copied from the Vesta. Simple as that. This thing of Garden of Eden, it was copied from Vesta as well. This thing of snake doing this, it was copied from Vesta. Vesta is older than the Bible. Quran is younger than the Bible. It's all copy and paste. And then they're feeding us with this toxic. They're feeding us with this toxic. And there's no way that we as black people, we can ignore and not to tell people the truth. Whatever they are entertaining, it is angering amadlozi. Amathongo ayayidinwa lento uthi usuzoba ubishop kubantu ababesibulala, suzoba ubishop kubantu ababethena amadoda, suzoba umemeza kwimosque namhlanje. Kunabantu namhlanje abazinkabi abathenwa ama-Arab ukuthi agade abafazi babo. This is Babu Dr. Babu says about Jabulani Mfana Kleja Ketle Mzulu Abancesi. My topic was poverty in women. Thank you.